Find or read reviews that people are talking about Halloween projector, AAXA L500 Projector, HP edition for haunted windows. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Wireless screen mirroring. Supports wireless mirroring for iOS and Android devices including Samsung Smart View. Cast your phone to the big screen with the mirroring function. Note, certain copyrighted content may not able to be mirrored or will have no audio. 5 Halloween content included. Transform your yard, impress your neighbors with ghostly spooky holographic projections. Premium optical engine. Limited edition 30,000 hours, high bin grade, LED engine delivers superior brightness and image quality. The L500 features an enclosed high transmissivity optical engine. Most LCD projectors in this class employ an inferior open element design, lower transmissivity LCD, and low quality LED light source. The L500 does not. Not all projectors are equal. 4-way keystone. Remote electric focus and 4-way, horizontal and vertical. Keystone offers fine adjustments to ensure a crisp and distortion-free projection. Android OS with streaming apps store. Onboard app store that supports many of the latest streaming apps, region-dependent. With an Android operating system, the L500 is compatible with many different applications including Office and PDF file viewers. Includes Wi-Fi 2.4/5G and Bluetooth connectivity. Power 10-watt speaker delivers immersive home theater experience. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.